There are literally thousands of details that go into planning a new home, but the most important is definitely a home's layout. It has to work for your life. If you're in the market for a new house like this gorgeous model from Pulte Homes, make sure the floor plan fits your family. And think about how you want to use your house today and in the future. Priority 1, the kitchen. It's the most used room in the house, so I like to get clients thinking about how it'll be used. Online tools like Pulte's Kitchenology quiz help you process all the possibilities. If you're an entertainer, you'll want a kitchen like this, with plenty of seating for everybody. But a prep kitchen can also be a smart use of space. Prep kitchens are typically designed with extra counter space and storage, even extra appliances. Plus, it's the perfect place to hide all your dirty dishes during the party. Or maybe you're in the stage of life where you need to keep an eye on the kids doing homework while you're prepping dinner. If that's you, an oversized island with great lighting could be a great command central after school. Or snack central. Either one. Next, look for ways to bring the outdoors in. Glass doors like these modern multi-sliders blur the lines between indoors and out. Whether open or closed, they provide beautiful outdoor backdrops to your rooms. And when you utilize larger windows, not only does more natural light come through, it also opens up the view, which automatically adds a peaceful vibe to the whole house. And we could all use a little more of that. Another hot topic in home building is floor plans for the multi-gen years. More generations under one roof. A separate bedroom suite with its own kitchenette and living area makes a lot of sense for multi-gen households. Still have a 20-something in the house? Give them the freedom to create their own little nest under your roof, on the other side of the house. Trust me on this. And when they finally fly, just refresh the nest for your folks. Of course, your family's needs will always be in a state of flux, so it's nice for your home's floor plan to have a little flex in it too. Flex rooms serve double duty, so they're not locked into just one function. A formal dining room doesn't work for everyone all the time. Why not get your game on with a pool table? Once you find a floor plan that fits your family, then it's time to make the most of your master. Create an owner's retreat for those days when you just need a little me time. By adding a wet bar, a reading nook, or even a fireplace, you created an everyday escape that you may never want to leave. I could get used to this. Ultimately, your home is your haven. Of course you want it to be beautiful, but it has to be functional. So before you build or buy, take your time, do your research, and visit lots of model homes. And determine the floor plan that's best for your family.